Hey guys, NCWQ here. I have y'all looking at EMSC, and we're looking at Texas. I've gone back a few days, all the way to the 14th, and showing the earthquakes that have been happening in a particular areas. They're all kind of within the same areas, so I've color coded each of them from the 14th to the 21st. So we're going to look at these. We can see this is the volcanic fields over here. And we're going to start with 924. 914. I'm going to turn these off so you can see what happened on this day. On 914, we had earthquakes occurring up here. This was a 2.2, a 2.1. This was a 2.9, a 2.2, 2.5. We had a 2.0, and we had a 2.0 there. And you can see that these are all gas in these areas. And what I noted closest to this area was the Tres Picos volcanic field, which is over in this area. So then we'll go on to the next day. So that was the 14th. So we'll turn off the 14th. We'll go to the 15th. 15th showed that they were closer. So we had a 2.8, and then we had, made them disappear, a 2.3 and a 2.0 and a 2.1, a 2.2 and a 2.1, and all the way over here we had a 2.2. Then down here we had 5 actually. We had a 3.3, a 2.5, a 2.0. These things don't like me. 2.3 and 2.1 are there. So then we had the 16th. We turn on the 16th. We pull back. Where is the 16th? 16th is kind of missing here. Let's see if I can find the 16th. They were up here. I'm sorry. They're white. They're closer to the Tres Picos volcanic field. And that one was a 2.4, a 2.9, a 2.0, a 2.2, and a 2.1. I don't see any more for that area. So then we turn off the 16th. We go to the 17th. The 17th we had 3, which were pretty much in the area of the white ones that happened. So we had a 2.4, a 2.6, and a 2.2. You can see this is all gas area as well. So now we go on to the 18th, and these are more out this way. So we had a 2.2, a 2.4, and a 2.4. And you can tell this is also still within gas area. So now we're going to go on to the 19th. And we had 2 that were up here where the red and the whites were. Now it was a 3.4, and a 2.3, and I don't believe we had any more blues. Oh, we had one more, which was going east, and that was the 2.3, and that was between Midland and Lubbock. So let's see what's in this area here. More gas drilling. Texas has been kind of busy, that's what I've been seeing, so just keeping it up to date. So now we go to the 20th. We're going back out. We got these green ones, which are in the areas of where the red and the white were at. And you can see they're kind of closest to the Trans-Pecos volcanic field. This one was a 2.7, a 2.4, and a 2.3. So now we're going to turn those off. And we're going to go to the 21st. You can see the blues. They're in the same areas as greens were. And we had a 2.6, 2.1, 2.4, 2.5, 2.8, 2.3, and a 2.5. And then over here, we had a 2.3 and a 2.7. Now we're going to move on to today, which was the 22nd. And you can see we had one all the way out here again, which was the 2.8, because the other one was right up in here. And then we had a 2.2, a 2.5, a 2.2, 2.1, and a 2.1. Now I'm going to turn them all back on so you can see how this looks. Let's do it this way. We'll do it from the bottom up. There's the first ones. There's the second ones. There's the third ones, which are the whiter up there with the green and the pinks. Then we have the reds just a little bit over from that. I believe we had some reds in here too. Yep, they were mixed in. Then we had the whites, which were here as well. And where did those go? We had a blue here. And we had some blues in here. You can see where the blues are at. So you can see where the blue was, the pink was there. Now we've turned on our next color, which was, I believe, red. Let me check. No, it wasn't red. It was green. So you can see where the greens were. So they're all up and around this area, Trans-Pecos volcanic field. And you can see the blues around this area. We had a few over this way, but again, mostly over in this area here. Now we turned on the greens, and we can see that they're also more in that area as well. So anyway, that's my Texas update. Just thought I'd do something real quick. I hope y'all are doing well. Please be safe, and much love.